In fear me and Sambia, the resource near assistant management, near assistant board. Is it helping the club?
No, it's not. Because a boaka in Naka, was just 3 years ago. Maybe a Jina Neno, Nejina, new board by new management by 3 years after. I said Jina will be not 3 years ago. Jina now, ain't your best same kind of mention Kasaya, won't mean Kasabet. You drink a cry, bet you say. You try this method no 2-3 times in fact. Intikabea this time evesre senka obia mpanyifo anase menhia be pa omobia no yemma omumre no noso kakra at least between 5 to 10 years na hu se obi ba na odni sika ba be hye adwuma bi mu a na o sa medodo na at least no obetumi implementing the policies and the strategies agukwa mu ama enu sa 5 to 10 years no goals bia obe achieve ono ani goal ni a team no goal target we best set biano obetumi ade achieve 3 years in football there too short even in managerial level crap on a short medium term open strategic biana it has to be 5 years at the economy best say ka yen try no so hwe mpanyufo a menhia be yi omo no say 5-10 years a yen fa mo omo na yen hwe omo so no be between the team no akakodi I tried 2 years 3 years 1 near you know de bia na kwa na asabesi baby a shase free and ntika this time no yemma emre no kɔ nim kakra na yen hwe de betumi afi mu aba
also a capable akonya ba na ohen frɛw also bra bebo obeko
na say question we dey yemusa why na ohen beto ne nsa frɛ na obetumi akasa de bia na say onko eno koda nchen so ohen to ne nsa frɛ a untumi enkasa de bi say nya ohen so na say me side me feel say for now no me focus ewo baby enti no I'm not actually looking at that but say no sika no no be o wa say ohen na ato ne nsa frɛ wa de oye bi also ojai mfanyifo bebre o wa ombeye kotoko adwuma na omonye omadwen say ombeye kotoko adwuma but so ohen na akasa beboa it also depends on which capacity o anase role I dey ma say bra na be play nti already no ye nka ho de betie boa nti na be koso na aboa
okay capital dasi